I'll show you how it's done. Shazam!
Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Underdeveloped, and today we are continuing yet again Chainsaw Man.
Yeah, episode 3 time.
Yeah, this series been pretty fucking good. I'm really enjoying it. The poor main character, man, he got a rough patch in the first one.
Oh fuck!
I felt that in here, but at least now things starting to look up in a better way.
At least the porn has been secured.
Alright, so without further ado, let's do this.
You told me to obliterate the target without question, so confess your sin!
Huh? What a creep! She's more like the bullshit devil! Fake-ass faker! Miss Makima should arrest you for fraud!
Hark! More calumny even now! Devils don't tell lies. Deception is a human tactic.
First time I heard that one! Lying about lying proves you're guilty! Shit for brains!
It's human nature to speak falsehoods. You urged me to attack because I did!
Quit talking all funky to sound cooler than you are! Makes you even weirder!
Please keep it down, you two.
Right. Then I shall.
Huh?
Thank you. Good girl.
Big Dom vibes.
Good to know who's at fault for this.
I mean, hey, she knows the power she wields.
Yeah.
I mean, at her whim, these two will be fucking executed.
Wait. Before I was able to save Meowie, Makima caught me and thwarted my plans. Meowie may already be dead, but still, I can't give up. If it permits me to retrieve that which I have lost, I will even stoop so low as to ally with mortals. I doubt you'd understand such sentiment for the likes of a feline.
All for a cat? That's dumb as hell. I know I'd go to some pretty extreme lengths to fondle some titties, though.
What the fuck,
Human
man?
psyche is a
Not the
truly
time.
perplexing thing.
Oh. I think I might get it if it was for a dog.
Since you find the prospect of broken breasts intriguing, I'll let you touch mine as a reward for saving Meowie.
That fucking devil! What a tool! Snatching innocent cats! Well, that ain't happening on my watch!
Hey, what?
As a devil hunter, I say no! I'll murderize him. Straight kill the shit out of that asshole! Turn into chainsaws.
Human jests leave much to be desired.
Wait,
What is it now?
you said he'd use the cat as a fluffy shield the second he saw you, right? So should you even be this close to where they're hiding?
Oh, that was my story, wasn't it?
Your story?
A mere slip of the tongue. Oops. Despite your dull mind, your instincts are quite sharp. What matters is that I met your demands. Is it not that?
Oh, is it that dick? Oh, okay, no, somebody else.
Here that ages, and since the young man, his blood will no doubt be brimming with vigor.
Oh, okay.
See the wound your kind inflicted on me? Hacked my own clean off like savages.
Well, if he wakes up, you get a lot more hacked off.
Designed to hide away the shithole.
Oh, he's up.
I can't.
Uh-oh.
I prefer quiet food. With your human blood, I'll heal my arm and right the wrongs your kind committed.
Uh-oh.
As sickening as that was, it must form my body nonetheless.
You wonder why humans decide to fuck you.
And you, the sad won't be buddies with them.
stunned you didn't stop and question my story when its plot holes are so evident. Never was a species more foolish than yours.
Yeah, I felt the cat with two little on the nose.
The stench of cigarettes. The smell of makeup and drugs.
Bad breath and coffee.
Pleasing aroma. Children's blood should wash out that foul taste.
Okay, this guy has to die now.
I brought you a human as promised. You've no reason to keep me out.
Oh, okay, so she really is okay.
That's right.
So there's some truth.
Yeah, there is truth there.
There you are!
But I haven't punished you for bringing such nasty fare.
It's fucked up, but she kind of deserves it for being a bitch.
This 8-4, that's your name. And gracious, you smell delectable for a cat. So spindly, though. Methinks I'll fatten you up before I feast.
I guess she was food. It was food.
I'm guessing it started off as food, but then she got water.
Yeah, exactly.
Grow big.
She kind of parallels
I'm eager for the day
I forgot his name.
slaughter you.
Did you?
Didn't she? Huh.
Yeah.
I've always killed everything that met my gaze. It's now become strange to hear a voice that isn't screaming in terror. So very strange.
You couldn't fight that guy. Take the cat back.
Honestly, I think she probably could. But
Right?
she seemed confident.
Yeah, like, come on, dude has one arm. Like, come on, that's pathetic.
Earlier you said you'd never pet Pochita again. I sympathize with you now.
Fuck you.
It is a dreadful feeling.
If I was him, I would beat the shit out of her. Oh, is she done? Oh, word.
He just ate her. Fuck.
All this nauseating blood!
Okay, I guess. Okay, I thought I thought she was gonna have like a whole thing, and I guess not.
Or she might.
Well, she might get true. Very true, very true.
I mean, it can take a while to digest. Wait, I hit mine's leg.
I'll have the virgin as an appetizer, I think.
A virgin, all
A
right.
large club map.
These monsters in virgin blood.
With my apprentice.
Is that even necessary? Is that really make a difference?
Cough up the tits. Those are mine.
Seriously, drink my blood.
fuck?
Revolting. If I can't have yours, you certainly can't have mine.
Knowing that devil had Meowie.
Fuck it, don't try to sympathize with her. Oh, that's painful.
Ugh. Yeah.
Yep, they got cut again. Is what I said.
You're to be a devil.
He's not that strong too if he's that malleable too.
Yeah. Like, honestly, he doesn't come across as all that strong.
Yeah.
Fuck!
He's just a big bat.
Damn, that girl was so close to just dying right now.
Run away.
Run, you idiot! This animal's hungry!
Let a perfectly good snack escape. What devil would do something like that?
The kind that'll slice into your gut, so I can touch me some blows!
All for the boobs. That's what this fucking movie should be called. All for the boobs.
Shit.
Yeah, try to keep the collateral damage to.
Yeah, this is Man of Steel, come on.
But people don't like that scene. But I mean, I think it makes a lot of sense if you have these two golly beings duking out in a fucking city. You know what I mean? The city will be fucking torched. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like honestly, like realistically. if two super strength beings go all out, and Goku and Vegeta goes all out in the city, she's gonna be torched.
Yeah.
Right? Same thing.
Yeah.
Why should it be Superman and Zombie exempt from that?
Because Goku had the foresight of not going to fucking city to fight.
Well, that's a different. That's a different problem. I mean, just the physics of them actually in a city, it will destroy the city.
I know. I was making fun. It's just a joke.
Protector.
I'm protecting him. I don't give a shit about this guy. Not
Right, fire, daylight, yep. Makes sense. Ew.
Ugh. That's gross. That's nasty.
That's fucking gross.
I've gone through a whole lot of crap until now. Impatient as a freaking
That's weird. Did it get hacked off or something?
Did what?
The chainsaws.
No, like,
Oh, it's like retreated back in.
yeah, it looks like it. Because he had to like pull on it again.
Yeah.
So
He had to crank that Soldier Boy. He had to crank that
yeah.
the chainsaw. Oh, no, I get it. I'm stupid. I get it. 'Cause you have to crank the chainsaw usually. You have to crank himself to get it up. I think that's what they did there.
Ooh.
Damn. How is he not like screaming in pain? His little shit's getting sliced up.
No,
I'll
right?
be like, ah! Oh, yeah. Was she digested?
Well, actually, yeah, I didn't even think about that. He could have easily accidentally killed Power in this
Yeah.
fight. It's been doing that.
Wow, really? Fuck you. Alright, well, that's it. This didn't feel like much. It just felt like it felt like a precursor to like another episode that's gonna like there's definitely like one half of a fucking full episode for sure.
Kinda, yeah. Like I feel like all the payoff for this is going to be the next episode.
Yeah,
too.
for sure. But I mean, I enjoyed it. It was fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, it was so good.
All for the boobies, man.
Yeah, all for the movies. The ultimate motivation.
Ultimate motivation for sure. Yeah, man. But with saying that, I mean, I'm looking forward to the next dub to come out. I really enjoyed this. This is an excellent show.
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah.
See y'all next time, folks. Hit like and subscribe. Peace.
Peace.
Hello? Come on, this is ridiculous. Is this button even connected to anything? Hello? Hello? Must Love Dogs. That's a good in-flight movie, huh?